you don't do jokes, don't do jokes. Humour is a double-edged sword. Now, in the words of Sir Ken Robinson, if they're laughing, they're listening. And that is absolutely fantastic. Wherever you can, if you can get a laugh with an audience, please do. But please don't think of your presentation as an opportunity to practice your latest stand-up routine. When we want to laugh, we go to comedy clubs. We pay people to make us laugh. We may not like everything that they say, but we've gone there with the intention of hearing people who tell jokes and tell jokes really well, practicing their craft. A presentation is not that opportunity. Of course, if there is a moment for levity, take it, but you need to be very, very aware of who your audience is, because if you offend even one person, you've made a fatal, fatal mistake. Just because you found something hysterical with your friends in a bar the night before after 18 pints of something fruity, it doesn't necessarily mean that that translates into something hysterical in a boardroom the following morning. If you tell a joke and you end up with tumbleweed, it is only you who will look silly. And that is what people will remember. Equally, when you hear the words, "Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen," I thought I'd start off today's proceedings with a joke. You can almost hear people clenching up with anxiety. Because what we think is, please let it be a good joke. And for the most part, it isn't normally a good joke. You have to be very, very skilled in the art of joke telling to open with a joke, as our next presenter finds out to her cost.
So I thought I'd ask you first off a little question. I think we've got both sorts in the room. So what is the difference between an accountant and a lawyer? Well, the accountant knows he's boring.